gets quiet. There's like an air of tension. There's a long old discussion going on. Let's play some music. Race director, head safety marshal and chief of health and safety are having a conflab. Ian Edwards is saying you can't do that, that's not safe. Because that's his job. You can't do that. I need a form filling in. Okay. Is it safe, Mr. Safety Director?
Okay guys, we'll go for a 10-second hold again.
Is it safe or do you need a form filling in? They're under starters orders. Oh, they've been stopped. What's up with you now, Dave?
You know what to do now. Wait till the lights go on.
Okay, we've wrapped them, we've put them in the stalls, we're going to start all over again. Watch for the lights. Watch for the lights. Is it clean? Looking good. Looks like they're awake.
Josh, are you here?